Hello, guys. Good morning. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. We got about 2 minutes until opening bell. We did a pre-market video this morning. If you guys want to check that out on YouTube, it's there. We basically went over a couple of things. Number one was jobless claims, 870,000 versus like 840,000, higher than expected. Continued claims, 12.58 million versus 12.3 million that were expected. So both initial jobless claims, continued claims, both higher than expected. Markets pulling back on that news. Also, I forgot to tell you guys in the pre-market video, Goldman Sachs slashes their GDP forecast because of a lack of a further stimulus package here for the country and for the citizens. So with that news, you're seeing SPY pulling back here a bit. We'll see if that continues. You guys remember the area we're going to be looking at here. 320 on SPY is a really important area to watch. If we break below that 320 on SPY, we're going to continue to head lower. Our SPY puts are already up over 60%. We're going to remain cautious, disciplined, and we're going to be trading momentum today. Okay, so if we see SPY continue to break below 320, if she gets down to 318, we're going to be adding to our SPY puts and getting even something a little bit further out, maybe adding to our November monthly expo puts. So right now you guys should have two types of trades. You should have one SPY put for November 20th and the one for November 28th we have. Here we go, guys. Market is open. We're going to be watching the SPY here for the first few minutes, watching the news, see what's going on, and take it from there. Zoom out a little bit here. There's SPY, 321.39. Gonna watch that and see what we do here on SPY for the first few minutes of the day. Guys, last night was our class. So first off, I want to show you guys, if you guys want to sign up for our next class here, all you have to do is click here on the website, Breaking Chart Alerts. I want to make sure everyone understands and knows what to do here for the classes going forward. We're having classes every single week now. What days are they? What was today? What's today's Thursday? So every class is Wednesday, 5 p.m. So every Wednesday, 5 p.m., those are going to be our classes. If you want to sign up now, save your seat, all you do is you go to Live Trade Room, click on Live Trade Room here, and that's going to bring you up to here. And then all you have to do is click here for class sign up. Here is for pro and elite traders, this is the afternoon Zoom meeting link, okay? Here's the class sign up. If you click class sign up, it'll take you to this, and it'll say registration's closed. I don't know when registration opens for the next class, but it's going to be right here, okay?
Earnings announcement earlier.
So now you know, class sign up, you sign up, register there. It's going to send you an email, a text, and everything. So it's going to be great for you. Afternoon Zoom meeting right here. Now the class from yesterday, all you have to do is, I told you guys we're building out our education suite. Click on education, and these are only for members. Here is the totally beginner class. If you're totally new to trading, it goes over great examples. It's an animated video we made. It's really great. Novice traders here. Here is one of the classes we went over. Intermediate class, this is about hedging your positions and shifting markets. And then Natalia will put up yesterday's class on here, right? On the education page. So that'll be up here today as well. So looks good, guys. Just know where you got to go for each thing. If you want trade challenge trades, you click here, click trade challenge. If you want all the trades, click over here, trade alerts. You'll see all of the trade alerts there. So alrighty, we're seeing SPY continue to break lower here. It's still in BDM. Let me get rid of these exponential moving averages. We went over a nice lesson yesterday on exponential moving averages, and I forgot to take those off. I don't like using exponential moving averages on my chart. I like using the 10-20 regular SMAs. So 50 is the red. Come on, E-Trade. Moving average, we'll put the 10 as the yellow. And The 20 SMA is aqua blue. Look at SPY still continuing to break lower. Let me jump in the trade challenge account here and see what we're doing there. I shouldn't look at it because I know we're probably going to have some decent gains and I'm going to want to lock in profits.
Group,
oh, there's nothing wrong with locking in profits.
$1 at a high of $1.89.
We're up 80% on our SPY puts, guys. 80% gains on the September 28th 325 strike puts. A nice $500 gain on those small 2 contracts. SPY still heading lower here, still continuing to drop. Now remember the numbers we were talking about, 320. If it gets down to 320, holds 320, I'm going to sell that SPY put and lock in profits. If we drop below 320, I'm going to be adding to it. We're already up 90% now on our SPY puts. Dow is down 171, Nasdaq's down 94, S&P's down 21.
OEG now halted on a circuit breaker. Oscar Echo Golf halted on a circuit breaker.
91% gain on SPY puts. Okay, let's see. I just sold SPY puts 568.
TSLA.
I just sold them. I will add to it if we continue to break below that 320. So if we break below 319, I'm going to make another trade for tomorrow's expo on SPY. We just locked in, what? Ephraim, what do we pay for that SPY put here? On a cash account, it doesn't tell me until the next day. We just closed it out at 568. So 5.68, divide that by 3.16. Just made an 80% return on that. 80% return. Ephraim, if you want to send out that that alert quick, close it out on the site, and then close it, and then send the link on the app alert. Or send me the link in the trade room. I'll send it out on the app alert. Just update that on the website quick. Tell me when that's completed, and I will send out the app alert. Unless you have the thing for the app alert there.
Fox News announcing new Iran sanctions coming.
Perfect. Thank you. Let's see.
CREG, China Recycling Energy, $2.92.
I don't know where it is.
Getting pop here, CREG.
Here we go. Okay.
OESX, Orion Energy Systems, moving here, 685, Oscar Echo Sandy X-Ray. JE, Just Energy, Juliet Echo. JE getting a pop here, 48 cents on volume. JE.
Ephraim, could you update the closing price on that on that trade on the website there?
That was yesterday afternoon. Shares hitting a high near $1.
That link
Earlier
that you
now
sent me, could you put
50
close
cents.
trade and the percent gain on
JE
top
of
there,
78%
like you
now,
usually do?
Echo.
Let me know when you do that, and then I'll include that on the link there. There we go. Perfect. Just got it. Okay, Apple app alert was sent out. Now I'm going to send out the Google app alert. If she breaks that 320, see how she's holding support at 320? If she breaks below 319 on SPY, I'm going to be adding more SPY puts. It might be a day trade. It might be tomorrow's expo, but I'm waiting for it to break that 320. When it comes down to that support area, that's when you want to lock in profits. If it breaks below it, we could add another trade. Important thing is, we just locked in 600 freaking bucks on that trade we made from yesterday.
Limited, getting
It's important.
78 cents. November Charlie Tango Yankee. JE, Just Energy continuing on very, very heavy volume now.
All right, the Google app alert was just sent out as well. So if you have an Android system that was just sent, you should have got that notification. Now see how SPY's holding that 320? That's why we closed it right when she dropped to 320. I saw that climb there a little bit. I said, you know what? It's better off taking those profits, 86%, and then we could find another trade. NVIDIA just turned green. Let me get in the trade room here.
WRTC, Wrap Technologies, moving here. WRTC company announcing earlier initial orders for bowler wrap from 4 new countries.
Ian, nothing happens to your shares in the meantime until expiration date.
Romeo Tango Charlie now at 661, up about 9%.
All right, now what I'm going to do is, guys, this is how you prepare yourself. I just closed that trade, right? Now what I'm going to do is go back to that trade challenge account. I'm going to go to options. I'm going to have a trade ready on SPY just in case we break out or break down. So I got that set up now. All I have to do is input the strike and whatever it is I want to buy, and it's ready to go. You got to be ready, because if you take 3 minutes to make a trade on breakout or breakdown, you're screwed. You just missed 30% on that quick move there when you're in either a breakout or a breakdown. So it's really important there to make sure that's ready to go. Beautiful timing on selling that SPY put. I mean, come on, you got to admit that, right? Now we're just going to sit back, be patient, wait for that next setup. We just made $500 in the first 10 minutes of the trade day there. Not even. First 9 minutes. So now let's look for that next trade setup. During these volatile times in the market, the best thing you could do is do these short-term day trades or overnight trades. Here comes another breakdown on SPY. Looks like it wants to fail at that 10. It already had that MACD cross, though, so important to keep an eye on that.
PPSI, Pioneer Power, moving again today, $1.59 PPSI, Papa Sandy, India.
Do you guys like it better when I have the one big chart here so you can see it better? Or do you like it better when I have two and we could look at a couple of charts there? Beautiful job selling that SPY right there at the bottom. We nailed that one. Nailed it. That's not our phone, is that?
It sounds like it.
Oh, no, that's the lawyers over there.
Oh, really?
Nice breakout on SPY. We sold those SPY puts, locked in that profit. SPY's climbing from that 320 support, just like we talked about yesterday. Just like we talked about in the video. Tweet 320, if we take a look at the 3-month daily, 320 is support going all the way back to 715. June 15th. All the way for a month, over a month, it used that as an area of support. So if she breaks below that 320, that next area is going to be 310 and 300. So that's how we can make those quick short-term swing trades on those SPY puts there. When I was taking away those SMAs before, it took away my channel. Wait, hold on. Let me get rid of that. Let me just go over here and do it.
UONEK, Uniform Oscar November Echo Kilo popping here 93 cents, up 7.5%.
Closed out of those SPY puts. Beautiful timing. Nice climb on the market. SPY's crossing above that 1020. MACD crossed. If you want to buy SPY calls, you can for a day trade. As I told you, I'm hanging off. I'm only going to be trading momentum and news. That's how you're going to grow that account. Here, you're just guessing. We might get up to about 323. I'll be looking at 323 and 324 as the next resistance areas on SPY. Hey, Chevin on YouTube. I'm feeling great. I'm glad to be back. Feeling good. I'm going to start CrossFit again. Got healthy meals delivered, so health number one now. Honka, so do you like it when I just have this one chart up and we go over one chart at a time, or do you like when I have two charts side by side here? And those of you on Zoom too, let me know. Do you like when I have this one big chart up so you can see everything more clearly? Or do you like when it's tighter and I have two side-by-side charts there? Because I know a lot of people trade from their mobile. We got about 40% that trade from their desktop, 60% that trade from their mobile device.
That's TSLA.
One chart, great. And then I could link this. It's already linked to one. So if I want to go down the watch list, all I have to do is go like this. And we could go right down the watch list here. Take a look. There's American Airlines. That's today 1 minute chart. Apple's having a nice breakout here. I like that. Remember they just downgraded Apple? They downgraded Apple and Apple's climbing here. It's one of the stocks in the green. Tom says one chart's better for him. Thank you, Tom. Thanks for the feedback. Tom's been a great member of ours. So dedicated. When I started, you used two, so that's what I'm used to seeing. But help out with the phone users with one. A scanner class would be nice. Mike, I could definitely do a scanner class. So I have 3 lessons that are actually going to be uploaded today, tomorrow. One of them's on the MACD. The other one's on implied moves and how to calculate implied moves and trade off of those implied moves. And the other one is on covered calls. So we got 3 great videos that Natalia's working on editing now for those. And Mike, yeah, I'll do a scanner class. If you guys want to give me, I got a few ideas here, so let me actually go over these. I was going to do a class on some of these. Let me know if any of these strike a bell for you guys while I'm watching the markets here. So, yes, Ian, yes, everything's going to be in the education suite, absolutely. You guys are going to be seeing probably about, let me see here, with my projections. Let me see where I put them. So with my projections, if we keep going like we are, by December 18th, we're going to have about 20 classes done, and lessons we're going to have about, let me see here. Lessons, we should have about 60 lessons by December 18th. So that education suite's really going to be built out nicely for you guys. I'm telling you, now that my health is pretty good, I'm just going to work nonstop making these classes and lessons for you guys because I see how much it helps you guys, and that's what's most important to me. That's what I'm doing usually during those hours between. We're going to get off probably the morning sessions around 10:30, 10:45. And then that's when I'm making these lessons classes, watching the trade room, watching the markets, and then in the afternoon I'll do the lessons with you guys as well. But yeah, content is coming. It's being formed. So here's some of the things that I have if you guys want to go over it. So I have one of them, a trader mindset, day trade versus swing trade, trading from your cell phone, how to do it, setting up watch lists, how to set up a great watch list, how to use Yahoo Finance, how to use FinViz, comparing different trading platforms, reading the candles, flags and pennants, chart formations, wedges and triangles, double tops, double bottoms, cups and handles, hooks, heads and shoulders, how to use SMAs, how to use the MACD. We did those videos. Time frames, you know, going from today 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute to a daily charts. Creating alerts, how to set up alerts on your platforms to say, hey, we just got to our target area, and then that way it sends you a text notification right from your trading platform saying, hey, SPY just dropped down to 320, and then you know, hey, that's your target profit area on those SPY puts. So I could show you guys how to do that. Scanning for trades, as Mike said, would be a good one. So I got a lot of one. Risk management, a trading morning routine for you guys to go in and say, okay, this is what I got to be looking at each morning before trading day starts. The trade plan, morning routine, candlestick formations, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracement areas, RSI, iron condors and butterflies, pre-earnings analysis and how to find those implied moves and finding the best trade strategies and trade setups if you're going to be making an earnings trade. Volatility, average true range, how to find expiration dates and strike prices. So I got all these printed out, guys, and these are the lessons and classes I'm going to be making for you guys. What do you think about that? Honestly, do you guys like that type of stuff, or you just want to focus on just looking at charts and talking about charts? Let me know in the trade room. John, I think I could go over with you. I could do a class with you, but you know, I think you're making a lot of trades and you're not looking at the general picture there of the daily chart on SPY.
APWC, Asia Pacific Wire and Cable, Alpha Papa Whiskey Charlie.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Devin. Absolutely. Thanks, John. Great. Thank you, Andre. So Apple's climbing off that 20 now. Let me go back down the watch list, see what's going on. Dow's pulling back again, down about 80 points. That's what I mean about patience and discipline. Me, I have the patience just to sit back, because if like I said, I make $600, $700 a day, I'm happy. That'll make you that 15 to 20,000 a month. Look at what they just brought up now on the platform down here. SPY futures rebound sharply from just below 3,200. 3,200 on SPY is 320. That's that 320 area I was talking about.
C-Series all-electric delivery
Super
trucks achieve
important.
premium range from last mile delivery. That's WKHS.
I feel like that guy. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. You know that insurance guy? I forget which one that is. Isn't that State Farm? That's Eddie, isn't it?
U.S. new home sales for August 1.011 million, plus 4.8%.
Farmers. So that's Eddie, yeah. Hey, Charlotte, I hope you're okay. When I was reading the news, I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. I couldn't sleep for some reason. I was kind of excited here. But, Charlotte, I read that the UK, it's having one of its worst months of COVID, and things are getting pretty bad out there. So, hope you guys are staying safe, you and your family out there. I think she's out in, like, Berkshire. Birkenhamshire. USA new home sales 1.011 million versus 895,000. Wow, that's amazing. So that's telling you one of two things. Either people are selling their houses because they can't afford them, or people are, starting to buy houses again. Oxfordshire. Nice. Yes, Ian, that is correct. You would sell to open. You have 700 shares, so you would sell to open 7 contracts. But make sure you have that margin account for that covered calls. Zillow is probably going to take off on that news. Z or ZG. Look at Zillow running on that news there. That's going to be a nice little one to take advantage of. I love Zillow too. I really do. I think we should make a trade on Zillow. Let's see when Zillow earnings are. November 5th.
OMI, Oscar Michael India, Baird raising the price target from $21 to $34. That's Oscar Michael India, OMI.
I think I'm going to make a small trade challenge trade on Zillow. Z. I'll pick up a call. I'll pick up for next week's expo, October 2nd. I'll pick up the, let's see.
KODK, Kodak shares moving again, Kilo Oscar, Delta Kilo, $8.69 on Kodak, KODK.
October 2nd, limit. Yeah, she's climbing. I'll pick up 2 contracts in the trade challenge account. Let's see if that was executed. Let's
OMI,
open, change.
Some activity, option activity. October 20 puts at the bid on OMI.
C-Trade platform is taking forever. Come on. Okay, let's see. Orders, was it filled? Executed. Okay, there we go. We are filled. At 285 for the 100 strike call for October 2nd. 2 contracts in the trade challenge account. So, trade challenge. Efren, I'll post it in the trade room. You could post it on the website there. Let me know once you post it on the website. I'll send it out on the app alert.
S&P futures 3237.50, up 6.25 now.
Zillow, Charlotte. Ticker symbol is Z. Z is in zebra. 2 contracts in the trade challenge account that was made. I'm trading the trade challenge account here to help you guys build that up.
PECK halted on a circuit breaker. Papa Echo Charlie.
Zoom is down for the day. Not going to be doing anything with Zoom. Remember, we want to trade breakout momentum. Let's see what else is moving here. Facebook's getting a decent move today. Facebook came all the way down to about 245. She's at 251.13 now. What's this other one climbing? AMD is still on the climb. Look at the 3-month daily on AMD. It's holding that consolidation. If she could break that 80, it's going to be a nice setup. FedEx is on the climb again. Look at FedEx. Let's see what our UPS is doing. UPS was down like 2% this morning. UPS is just consolidating. It still looks good. Just waiting for that next run. Let's see what else we got here. Snapchat just at about 25 bucks again, looking good. Nvidia's having a heck of a day here, up about almost 3%, but it's consolidating. Consolidating.
SBSW, Sibanye Stillwater, October 10 call activity. SBSW.
Let's see, SPY. We could keep an eye on SPY today. So glad we were selling that right at 320. That was a really nice setup there. Can't miss the sell, Steven. I mean, it still looks very bearish here. So, it's okay if you're holding on to it. Market's climbing, though, today. Climbing from those
CCL,
lows.
Carnival, Charlie Lima, January 2023 $20 call sweep.
Carnival
That's
Cruise
CCL.
Line call sweeps coming in. You're going to see 327 as next resistance on SPY, and then 330 again. And then 333. Carnival Cruise Line's got some call sweeps coming in for 2023 expiration. Look at how much they're paying for them, too. $5. So they need that at $30 for 100% gain. I'd rather just pick up a vertical spread here that makes 100% gain from now until then. It actually, you know, you do something further out like that, you could be looking at something for a 500% return. Devin, I was thinking about booking a cruise once things settle down, but I want to see how this COVID thing works out here for the fall. They love trying to scare the crap out of you with this COVID thing. How'd you guys do with it? Your whole house had it, Devin, COVID? How'd you guys make out with it?
NTIP, Network One Technologies halted for news. November Tango India Papa halted pending news.
Devin says they were all fine, no symptoms. He was blown away when they told them they were positive for COVID. Yeah, doctor that was here too, he had COVID. He said he had a little sniffles. That was it. Let's see Darden Restaurant. Darden earnings report signals improving trends. Dividend reinstated. That's good news, DRI.
On volume, Sandy Charlie Oscar November.
I like that news on Darden Restaurants. That's a good swing term. Swing trade. I like that setup on Darden Restaurants here. So they reinstated the dividend, and there's signals saying that things are improving. We went to Olive Garden last week, and They have a limited menu. There's like literally 6 things on the menu. Yeah. They said, oh, because of COVID. I'm like, it's all like pasta stuff that's easy for them to make. So I guess they reduced their expenses and everything down, their overhead, with just having a very limited menu. But I gotta tell you, those.
Having less people in the kitchen.
Yeah, yep, definitely. Reduced staff was a big one because our waiter was all over the place. But man, those breadsticks and Alfredo sauce. You ever have those?
Yeah, they also have the best mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks. I don't like stuff like that. The breadsticks though and the Alfredo sauce. The rest of their food's just okay. Jordan restaurants. If that started breaking out, I'd probably trade that.
AIHS.
SPY still continuing to climb.
Seeing volume in there now. Alpha India Hotel Sandy, AIHS.
I'm in the office today, but I did not bring that tax stuff you asked for. I could bring that tomorrow. SPY still breaking out. Zillow at the highs of the day. Did any of you get an app alert on the Zillow trade yet, or not?
TSHA indicating $23 Tango Sandy Hotel Alpha, today's IPO. Shares were priced at...
Okay, I gotta send that out.
At $20, that's Tango Sandy Hotel Alpha.
Let me send that out right now. Let me send out a text. See where that sends me to. So you gotta be logged into the app or something to see that there, but it'll take them there. And there we go. Google app, Apple app alerts, both sent out. Efren, the only thing we have to do on that is give a description why we made that trade. That one obviously was because of home sales there. Let's see. Devin said he just made a quick 18% gain on SPY puts. You already have the MACD cross on SPY. What are you guys watching saying it's pulling back off the 50? Yeah, the volume on the 100 strikes for October 2nd's plenty there, Tyler, for Z. You got 692 open interest, 130 total volume. Looking good.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage, a build of 78 BCF is expected.
It depends how large the trade is, Tyler, you know? That's going to be a quick little swing trade. Yeah, 100 is perfectly fine. I like when you got like 200, 300, but Zillow, that's new news. That's why you're seeing that continue to climb now.
TSHA now indicating $21.
No problem, Tyler. SPY starting to pull back. Here comes that 1020 cross now. Dow's only up about 16 points, 15 points, 14, 12, 11. Markets are pulling back here. NASDAQ's only up 25. S&P's only up 4 points now. SPY's pulling back, continuing to retrace here, so keep an eye on that. That's what I was wondering, Skyjack. What Avilio meant was is pulling at the 50. Pulling back off the 50. She's just getting down to the 50 now. On a today 1 minute. 3-month daily. See how it's failing to break above the previous candle's body here? This is telling me that I think further signs of breakdown on SPY are coming. Have you noticed since the doctor started me on that new blood pressure medication, it's to calm your adrenal glands so you're not as
Oh, really?
hyper. So, I just got the text, they upped it a little bit now. But have you noticed a difference? Am I a little bit more?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Makes me a little more focused, I think. Dow is almost in the red. Dow's up 6 points now. Natty's up 19. S&P's up 3. I like that new blood pressure med, it doesn't make me feel as hyper, I guess. They said it stops the adrenaline from over excreting.
Bloomberg reporter says Mnuchin will speak with Pelosi about stimulus.
They're talking about a new stimulus.
AIHS, low price stock, seeing some heavy volume coming in now. Alpha India Hotel Sandy. Natural gas storage coming up, build of 78 BCF expected.
I'm watching SPY 1 minute today on the other chart here. Dix is down almost 3%.
66 BCF build on natural gas storage. The expectation was for 78.
If we break below 321.81, I'm going to be entering into some more SPY
A
puts.
little pop here on that lower than expected build on natural gas.
I wouldn't be in anything long yet. I like Zillow Group because of the housing, But other than that,
now,
I'm just going to be watching, trading the markets heading lower here.
12 cents.
Everything's red again here, so I'm going to get the trade challenge account ready to go. Trade options. Going to get ready for a couple more SPY puts. Should make some easy money on those again. Damn E-Trade Pro, I'm telling you. The website.
AGN awarded contract to rehabilitate 7,000 linear feet.
SPY. I'll get a put for tomorrow's expo, I think.
Thermal pipe technology.
What's today's date? The 24th?
November, AEGN.
Or should I get the 28th expo? 25th, 28th. What's today's date? The 24th? I could get the 25th expo, I think. $322 put. It's at $249. Okay, guys, I am in a SPY put. It wasn't executed yet on that big drop. Let me change the order here. Alrighty, guys, I have an execution. SPY, September 25th, 322 put, 263. 2 contracts, trade challenge account. And this is using our profit. This is using half of our profits from the previous SPY put trade. That's for tomorrow's expo, so we may even keep that overnight if we continue to drop. I want to see it break below this area right here. So this is what I'm watching for. Where's my annotation? Here we go. I want to see it break below this area right here. You know, which we're right at right now, as obviously you could see, have that line there. So that's what I'm waiting for. There we go. There we go. Come on. Keep it coming, Daddy. That'd be nice, Devin. It's just patience now. Patience, patience, patience. You're going to have your ups, you're going to have your downs throughout the day, but, you know, markets are not looking that good.
Neuronetics getting a pop here. Hearing a newsletter mentioned.
I don't know what's going on with this damn Roku here. I can't see anything on it. What do you think is better, Roku or Apple TV?
Depends on what you want, but Apple TV have more options of what you can do.
There we go. There goes SPY tanking.
Expensive.
What's that?
But it's also way more expensive.
How much is it?
It's like $160.
$160? Ah, that's not. What's Roku like? $100?
Roku's like $40.
So $40, $160. It's like the same.
I wish.
Let's see. Let's go to HDMI 2. I want to watch CNBC here, but it's not letting me bring it up. It's saying no signal. Maybe it's the HDMI thing. Let me check that out. But anyway, I'm going to shut off YouTube now, guys, and I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer here with our traders on Zoom. So I'm going to be closing out of YouTube now, and I'm going to be staying on here on Zoom with our members. So YouTube, if you guys want to come sign up, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. You could go to breakingchartalerts.com, go down to the, where is it here? Join now, membership plans, and you guys could pick your membership here. Obviously, the Elite Pro yearly includes the classes. Pro Trader includes some classes. Save money with the yearly. And then obviously, if you want to come join us in the trade room, right here. If you want to trade with us live on Zoom, you're going to be clicking here. Okay, so trade room, that's where I'm going to be, and I'm going to be on live on Zoom right now with our members. And then our classes that we have every week, you click there, sign up, register, and every week you'll get registered for our class, depending on your membership type. The Elite membership includes advanced classes, beginner classes, and intermediate classes. The Pro member includes the beginner and intermediate, and then the regular trader membership is the bare basics of, calls and puts and stuff, those types of videos and classes. Alrighty, YouTube. So if you guys want to come join us, again, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com, and I will see you guys there. There goes Spy breaking down again. And I will see you guys on YouTube tomorrow. Take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.